Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's make broccoli beef. Let's get started. Here all the ingredients: 1 pound ribeye steak, half teaspoon salt, 4 cloves garlic, cornstarch, sugar, carrot, broccoli, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, oyster sauce. Okay, I peel the carrot. Okay, that's all I need. I don't want this piece. Chop it. Cut like this. There's a grain, it's a grain in here, so I cut like this little more tender. One tablespoon water, mix it. 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and about 1 tablespoon the garlic oil, olive oil, no garlic. We mix the sauce now. This is salt. 1.5 teaspoon the sugar. 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, half teaspoon dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, tablespoon water to mix it. Okay, it's ready. Now make a cornstarch water. 1.5 teaspoon cornstarch, 3 tablespoons water to mix it. Okay, it's done. Okay, we almost start boil the broccoli first and the carrot. The water boil and wait for the water boil. Okay, the water boiling now. Add the carrot and broccoli in. Let's get 1 minute. Okay, it's done. I pick it up and put in the cool water. in the cold water like a minute, and wait for cook. We turn the heat on. The water is enough hot. So put some oil. Add the beef. Done. So I just pick it up. Olive oil in. And the garlic. Okay, add it vegetable in. And add a seafood. I turn a medium heat. Add some salt. Water. It's almost done. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's ready. It's good. Look. Wow, looks good. The time for taste test. Broccoli, beef and carrot, beef, with the rice, very good. The taste, thoroughly, a little bit sweet and garlicky. Texture, beef, tender, broccoli, crunchy, and carrot is sweet. Very perfect. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。